In this video, I'll tell you how to increase testosterone naturally in just 2 weeks. So stick with me until the end, it's going to be very interesting. Let's get started. What is testosterone? Testosterone is the primary male hormone, and it plays a crucial role in strength, energy, libido, confidence, and overall health. But here's the important part. If you're exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, and avoiding harmful habits, then with a 90% probability, your testosterone levels are already within a normal range. A healthy lifestyle is the most natural, affordable, and safest way to maintain and boost testosterone. But in today's world, many factors work against us. Testosterone levels are directly influenced by other hormones: cortisol, estradiol, and estrogen. The higher their levels, the lower your testosterone. And what causes these hormones to spike? Bad habits like smoking or alcohol abuse, poor nutrition loaded with processed foods, a sedentary lifestyle, excessive use of medications or hormonal drugs, chronic stress and infections. These aren't just causes, they're also consequences of low testosterone. For example, if your testosterone drops, you'll feel weaker and less motivated. That apathy can make you skip workouts or eat junk food, which then lowers testosterone even more. It's a vicious cycle. Testosterone levels peak between 18 and 25 years old and then start to gradually decline around age 30 to 35. This is one reason men often experience the so-called midlife crisis. Low testosterone doesn't just affect your body, it impacts your mind. Symptoms include poor physical strength, fatigue, decreased libido, and even depression. So the question is, how do you fight back naturally? Boosting testosterone through diet. Let's start with the basics, your diet. To understand how food affects testosterone, you need to know how the hormone is made. The main fuel for testosterone production is cholesterol. From cholesterol, the pituitary gland releases luteinizing hormone, which stimulates testosterone synthesis. Without healthy fats, this process simply cannot happen. That means your diet must include enough unsaturated fatty acids. These are found in red meat, fish and seafood, eggs, nuts, vegetable oils. As a rule of thumb, fat intake should be about 1 gram per kilogram of your body weight. These same foods are also packed with protein, essential amino acids, and creatine, all of which are key for muscle growth and recovery. But fat and protein are not enough. For optimal testosterone production, your body also needs vitamins and minerals, especially zinc, potassium, magnesium, vitamins B, C, and D. That's why you should regularly include foods like citrus fruits, leafy greens, pomegranate, mineral water, legumes, and whole grains. Now, let's talk about carbohydrates. Not all carbs are bad. In fact, you should prioritize carbs with a low glycemic index. Think whole grains, oats, and other slow digesting sources. Simple carbs, on the other hand, should be minimal. If you need quick energy, choose fresh fruits. Here's a great tip: just 2 green apples a day can cover half of your daily fiber needs, and 2 large bananas will provide enough magnesium for optimal function. Lifestyle changes that boost testosterone diet is only one part of the puzzle. To maximize testosterone, you need a complete lifestyle approach. Here are the 5 most important steps. 1. Stay active and exercise. Nothing triggers testosterone like strength training. Aim for 3 to 4 workouts per week, focusing on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These movements engage multiple large muscle groups at once, leading to a powerful hormonal response. 2. Eliminate bad habits. Smoking, excessive drinking, and drug use are testosterone killers. Quitting these habits doesn't just improve hormone levels, it dramatically boosts overall well-being and makes your workouts far more effective. 3. Follow a balanced diet. Occasional cheat meals are fine, but your foundation should always be clean eating. Limit simple carbs and saturated fats. Eliminate junk food. Prioritize fiber, vitamins, and high-quality proteins. Drink plenty of pure water. 4. Reduce stress. Stress triggers cortisol, the #1 enemy of testosterone. High cortisol doesn't just lower testosterone, it shifts your entire body into catabolic mode. That means breaking down muscle, lowering energy, and increasing belly fat. To keep testosterone high, you must manage stress. Whether that's meditation, deep breathing, or simply disconnecting from negativity, make stress control a daily priority. 5. Sleep like a king. Finally, never underestimate the power of sleep. During deep rest, your body produces melatonin for nervous system recovery and growth hormone for muscle repair and fat burning. Even 1 or 2 nights of poor sleep can crush testosterone levels. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every single night. By the way, friends, don't forget to check out other videos on this channel. The links are on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.